Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to make the cutter. This cutter is very useful for making the crafts. Take the waste brush, make the slot for fixing the blade in it. With the help of my cutter, I am making the line. If you have hacksaw blade, you can use it. Hacksaw blade will make your work easy for making the slot. As you can see, I have made a slot for the blade. I have taken a normal blade. I'll make it into two pieces. Be careful in doing this. It might cut your finger. Now I am going to cut the front portion of the blade, which looks like a regular cutter, as you can see. The blade is fixing in the slot properly. Yeah. Now, with the help of a glue gun, I am going to fix the blade in it. First I am filling the slot with the glue. Now I am fixing the blade in it. Be careful in doing this. It might harm you. As you can see, it has fixed properly in it. Now I am applying the glue at the sides so that it will fix properly. Now allow it to dry. Once it has been dried, I am removing the leftover glue. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. As you can see, now I have removed all the leftover glue. For the sample purpose, I have taken a rough sheet. Make sure that you hold the blade properly. As you can see, it is cutting the paper very easily. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button. And that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Till there, take care and bye bye.